Yesterday we created field creation. So if you want to create a field, there is a 4 steps process. One is select data type. Second step, provide field information. Third step, provide field level security for the profile. And fourth step is nothing but add this field on the page layout. So we created one object is customer. In the customer object we have some of the fields. Now we are creating objects another way also we can create. How to create the object another way? Go to setup, build, create objects. In that objects, using schema builder also you can create. The navigation is using schema builder here. Otherwise directly if I open the develop, here only schema builder is there. Use the schema builder and create objects directly. Also from the schema builder here you can create the objects. So if you want to create the object, then go to elements. In the elements, object, drag and drop the object. Now what is the difference between the creation of schema builder and new custom object tab? Whenever we are using new custom object tab, it is allowing tab creation page is also allowing, that is, but in the schema builder it cannot allow tab creation page. Manually you can create the tab. That is a one difference. Maximum it is the same as it is, that one only, but here we can identify the relations also. We can observe the schema programming, or we can observe the relations or data model, how it is provided the relations one object to another object also. After creating we can find out in the schema builder. That is a main difference. Whenever we are creating field creation here, directly cannot visible all the fields here. So only mandatory for fields only visible, and those remaining fields by default it is providing to the profiles. So if you want to use, then automatically it cannot display all the fields. Just go to page layouts and edit the page layout. Through that you can edit the fields. Now I am creating one more object here. Transaction is my object name. Transactions. Some description. This object is maintains customer transactions. Now allow reports, allow activities, everything you can take it here. This way we created some object. In this object, if you want to create fields, data types we have. Here we have data types: auto number, formula, roll up summary, like this, date, date time, like this. I'm selecting currency type of data type, and just within the single step only it is completing field creation. And that complete information we are providing, whatever information is there, that information within the single step only. Label, transaction amount. Now if you want to provide some description, you can provide the description. Help text, enter transaction amount here, 18 digits maximum. I'm taking here 10 digits length and 2 digits decimal values. If you want to provide decimal default value, you can provide the default value, and whether it is mandatory or not you can select. If it is a mandatory, just that's all. Save it. One field is created. Now transaction type is required. For this transaction type, pick list option I am selecting. Pick list option. Transaction types are online, credit card, debit card, cash, or deposit, cash deposit, withdraw, check, DD. Like this we are providing some information. Store values alphabetical order. Now save it. This is one more. I required date and time. Transaction time. At what time it is performed the transaction. Transaction time is required. Transaction time. Just I am taking transaction time. Now any other fields? If it is required credit card number like this, you can take it. I provided some of the informations here. Go to setup. Here there is no transaction object. Create a transaction object. Create a transaction object. How to create the transaction object? Tab. For that tabs. For that tabs we require. Go to custom object tab. What is the tab we are using? Custom object tab. Custom tabs. In that new custom object tabs. In this click the new button. Now whenever we are created object, if any object is doesn't contain a tab, for that object it is showing in this, the label is showing. What is the object you created? Transaction object. Transaction object label is displaying. Select the object here. What is the object? Transaction. Select tab style, color and image. So if you want to select like this, directly select the color and image. Otherwise you create your own style. Create your own style. In this case, select your own color. These are the colors are there. In these colors you select one color. Some color I selected. And image. Any images? I stored already. I created some of the images in the document object. These images, transaction is the one image. This is the image I am selecting and this is the color I selected. Okay. For this color, this is the image displaying. Now click on the next. Click on the next. Here apply tab visibility for the profiles. In this case I am selecting here tab hidden for all the profiles. Apply tab visibility for different profiles, different visibility. In this case system administrator profile. Okay, that's all. Click on the OK. And which objects it is required, which applications it is required. I'm selecting here only for HDFC application. This tab is displaying. Now one tab is created. This is the tab. If I open the tab, now it is displaying only mandatory fields. You created some of other fields, but it is displaying only mandatory fields. So if you open edit layout, page layout, in the right side shortcut menu is there. In the shortcut menu, edit layout, click the edit layout and edit the layout. Here there is transaction time, transaction type. These two fields are not provided here. So whenever we are selecting here, you can select, okay, like this you can select. If I selected, automatically it is displaying these fields. If you are selecting, automatically displaying here. I am creating transaction. T1 is the transaction name, transaction amount 25,000, transaction type credit card or online, transaction time, this is the transaction time. Whenever we are saving, then this record is created here. This record is created here. If you want to create new record, one more record I am creating, transaction T2. Transaction amount 15,000, transaction type cash deposit, transaction time, you can take the transaction time. This is a way you can create objects here. Sorry, records, you can create the records. Or if you want to create here also, for this, can I create the some of the other fields? Yes, if you want to create any other fields, you can create any other fields also here. How to create the fields? If you want to create a field like this you can select and you can create the field. Now I am creating in the customer object some of other fields I am creating. So yesterday I created email is the field is created. Here I am creating some record information. Ranjit, salary is 60,000, saving account, country equal to India, state equal to Maharashtra. Now date of birth, it is August 16th. Phone number, I provided some phone number. Email, ranjit@gmail.com, I provided here. Whenever I am saving, I get the error message here. Because here you provided phone number is provided, but this phone number is invalid format you provided. We required at the rate symbol is required. What is required? At the rate symbol is required. And here phone number whenever we entered, based on the country locales, country formats, it is by default it is converting into that format. So that is the advantage for the phone number. Whenever we are using email, by default system validations it is performing. System validations. If whenever we are providing some data, then it is performing system validations it is performing. If I provided some value at the rate, is it accepting? Yes, it is accepting. Here, instead of this, if I'm not provided any value, there is no error. Whenever we are providing value, then only it is validating. If there is no data, no validations. Here, if I provided A, then it is identify and it is validating the your email ID. Can I take the A@B dot C? Yes, it is accepting. Only format only required, but not valid or not cannot check. Whether the email is existing or not, it cannot check. Only it is verifying the email format are you following or not, only it is verifying. So this is the email format is verifying. Okay. Now I'm creating one more field. I'm creating some of the records. 1 second. 3 records. I'm creating one more record. Venkat, salary 45,000. Validation system only performing predefined validations. If you want to provide your own validations, you can write the validation rules, and in that validation rules you can apply the validations. Next session I will explain. Now I created one more record. Like this you create the records. Now here, next I am creating one field, auto number I am generating for this, one ID I required. For this ID, new field I am creating, new field creation. In that new field, you can create auto number type. Auto number type. In the auto number, provide the display format and a starting number. Customer ID. Display format. CID hyphen 00000, like I am providing. Starting number is 1001. Do you want to generate auto number for existing records? If we enable this option, then it is generating auto number for existing records. Click on the next. It is a read only field. It cannot display in the edit page. It cannot allow to modify that value manually. Automatically it is generating. Save. Here I am creating one record. Kavya. $80,000. Whenever I created one, ID is created. What is ID? Customer ID. Customer ID CID hyphen 001005. For existing records also it is created. For existing records also it is created. If I open Ranjit, based on the creation time and date and time, it is creating like this. If you want to see these IDs for all the records, go create here one view you create. I am creating one view, table format I am creating here. Customer view I am creating. In the customer view, these are the fields are available. These are the fields are available. It is visible to me or visible to all the users or visible to particular group of users. If I selected like this, so we have some roles. What are the roles we selecting? For that roles only it is available. Or if I selected some public groups, only for that public groups only it is available. I am selecting this is for all users. Whenever we are creating, maximum here it is allowing 15 fields only it is allowing. If it is a more than 15 fields, it cannot accepting. If it is accepting means okay. Otherwise here, what is the error? You cannot display more than 15 fields. Maximum it is displaying 15 fields only. Now I am selecting what are the fields I required, only those fields only I am selecting. Customer name, customer ID, customer record ID. This record ID is nothing but whenever you are creating one record, for that record system is generating one ID. That ID is displaying. Account type, country, customer ID, date of birth. If you enter date of birth, it is displaying. Email, if it is provided, it is displaying. Salary. Now state, phone number. just whatever order you provided, the same order it is displaying. This is one view. In the view it is displaying like this. Every record one ID is generating. System is generating one ID. That ID is nothing but this is the ID. If it is a custom object, the ID is starts with A00. First record, first object is starts with A00. If the object is a second object A01, is there any record? So that ID, you can identify the ID. Here customer object to ID, this is the customer object to ID. So here the records, whatever records you are creating for this auto number you generated, automatically it is generated by system and incremented by 1. Whatever number records you are generating for that records, it is generated and it is displaying the some names. This is a way we are creating ID. Now I'm creating one more record. I'm creating one more record. Sorry, one more object. Go to setup. Okay, before that some of the other fields also I'm creating. Some of other fields. Here I required loan types are required. Loan types. New custom field creation. Loan types, whenever I'm creating, for that loan type, pick list multi-select option. He is taking car loan or housing home loan or personal loan or gold loan, education loan, like this, different type of loans. Maybe selecting more than one type of options. Pick list type of option. Loan types. I'm providing loan types. Agriculture loan, gold loan, home loan, vehicle loan, car loan, personal loan, education loan. Like this you can provide different options. Now if you want to display like this, how many rows you need to display? Minimum rows 3, maximum rows 10 it is allowing. How many rows it is allowing? Minimum rows 3, maximum rows 10 it is allowing. Whenever I am selecting 2 rows, we are getting error message like this. Here it is 7 rows are there. Like this, how many rows you required? So here the number of visible lines must be greater than or equal to 3. Must be greater than or equal to 3. If the less than 3, then you are getting the error. If it is a 20, so less than or equal to 10. What is the error? Less than or equal to 10. If I am providing some 5 rows, 5 rows, click on the save. If I open, it is displaying 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 visible lines, 5 lines it is creating. So whatever we are selecting, those selected items it is removing from this. Selected items it is removing from this. So like this you can display. Suppose if you want to display only 3 rows only display, at that time go to your field creation, custom field creation, whatever field is there. In that field creation, loan types, edit the loan types. Now visible number of lines 3. Save it. Previous it is a 5 lines. Now it is a 3 only. The size, you can increase or decrease the size. Home loan, personal loan. Manoj. Whenever I am creating, then it is showing home loan, personal loan, vehicle loan. Whatever we selected, those items are displaying. But whenever we are selecting here, options, if I selected Australia and Melbourne, in this case, how many are showing? Only one item. Pick list is showing only one item only selecting. But whenever we are using pick list multi-select, more than one items if you want to select, then you go for multi-select option. You can select pick list multi-select. And I'm creating here one more field, a description related field. I required some description. New field I'm creating. In the new field creation, text area. If I use the text area, it is allowing 2 lines of text, only 2 rows and 255 characters maximum you can provide. How many characters it is allowing? 255 characters and 2 lines only, 2 rows. If I select the text, only 1 line and 255 characters. Maximum characters it is allowing 255 characters. What is the difference between text and text area? Text is a single line, text area is 2 lines. That is the difference. Description. Save it. How many lines? 2 lines of text area. Customer name is a text type. Description is a text area. What is the difference between these two? It is a 1 line, but here 2 lines. You can enter 2 lines. After 2 lines, whenever we entered, here it is allowing scroll bar is allowing. Like this, it is allowing scroll bar. Scroll bar is allowing. If you want to increase, you can increase the size also. It is allowing. You can increase the size also. It is allowing. Like this. You can create the text area. And if you want to provide long description, if you want to provide some 20 lines of description, it is required, then you can go for text area long. And text area rich format also there. For the description, if I selected text area long, it is allowing 1,31,072 characters. Maximum 1,31,072 characters it is allowing. The minimum length is starts from, the maximum length is starts from 256, 255 up to 255 text area. And if it is more than 255 characters, if you want to store, then only you go for the text area long format or text area rich format. And minimum visible lines 2, maximum visible lines 50. If I provided 60 lines, I am getting the error message, some long description. 2 errors here: greater than or equals to 250, greater than 255 characters, and here less than 50 lines. Greater than 255, less than 50. Can I take 6 or 7? 9 lines. One error. Yes, no error. Sorry, it is a 2 lines it is allowing. No error. If I refresh, this is long description I provided for the long description. Text area long. Text area long. So you can provide any number of characters here up to 1,31,072. But here I provided 256. If it is a 256 more than, then you are getting the error message. Up to 256 characters it is allowing. Now if you want to change to another field type, can I change this field to another field type? Yes. There is a long description. In the long description I'm editing change field type. Instead of long type, text area rich format. Save it. Error. In this case, the visible number of lines of 10 to 50. 10 to 50. Here 10 lines minimum we required. Just if I refresh, the rich format italic bold like this is the option it is displaying. What is the long and what is the text area long and text area rich format? Text area long just simply field type only creating, but whenever you are using text area rich, then it is allowing some options also allowing. These are the some options. I am creating one record, Pradeep or Prashant, 2 lakhs, account type NRI, UK or USA, New Jersey. Now I am providing here some images also. If you have any images, those images also displaying. Some images. Now I am loading this image. Here Salesforce is a cloud computing, or Salesforce is cloud based technology. Now I required cloud based bold italic some underlines. Now image is also required. Images, insert to an image. Before that choose the file. I selected here image and insert. Save it. So whatever images are there, those images also you can save. You can save the images also. Whenever you are using rich format, it is allowing. Rich format is allowing like this. This is the way you created some images also. Now I am creating one more field. credit card number. I required one field is credit card number. For this new field creation, I'm creating new field creation, text encrypted format. Credit card number. Length is 16 digits. Format, what format is required? And what is the type? Mask characters. If it is a all mask characters, then it is displaying instead of value only this is. If I select it like this, it is displaying this the way. Now based on the selection, it is displaying only these two types. Here last four characters clear. It is displaying like this. Credit card number format, or national insurance number NIN number, or social security number SSN, or social insurance number. You select what type of format is required. I am selecting credit card format. Click on the next. Now here system administrator profile. Click on the next. Save it. I am creating one record. The record name is Ramesh. Here credit card number, some number I provided. Whenever I am saving record, the record is displaying here credit card format, this format. If I edit, even I edit also, I can see only the same value only. I cannot see directly this is. Suppose one more user is there in my organization. Anudeep is the user. If I log in into Anudeep, there is no object because I am not provided any accessibility to these users. So first I am enabling profile permissions, profile level permission in this profile. What is the profile? CAS is the profile. Open the CAS profile, edit the profile, and what are the objects? Customer is the object, is tab hidden, default on, and as well as you select here object level permission also. I am providing object level permission. Save it. Now if I refresh, only object is visible, mandatory fields only available. Mandatory fields only available. Whatever fields previous we enabled, at that time we enabled some of the fields for this profile also, so that's the reason it is provided. Here if you want to enable this field in the profile, field level security, custom field level security, there is customer is the object. In the customer object, modify that field, edit. Now edit. In this, what are the fields you need to required? What is the field here? That field is credit card number. I am enabling credit card number. If you want to remove some of the options also, so date of birth or text area, this is I am removing this is, and any other fields also if you want to remove, you can remove the fields also. If I refresh, I'm getting here credit card number, credit card number. Now, if I entered here, okay, already we have credit card number we provided. This is the number. It is there. Is it visible? No. For this user also not available. I want to display original format for this user. Can I display original format? Yes. If you want to display original format to that users, go to your profiles. Edit this profile. View encrypted data. What is the option we are selecting in the profile? View encrypted data. Select this option. Select this option and save it. Previous it is not display. Now it is displaying as this original format encrypt. So view encrypted data. Whatever data is that encrypted data, that data it is displaying as this. Here for the Rajender, still it is showing like this because the profiles are different only. Rajender profile is different, another profile is different. Based on the profile, it is displaying that data. This is a way you can create. This is the way you can create. So this is the way we are creating the field creations. If you want to create a field creation, there is a 4 steps process. Select data type, provide field information, provide field level security for the profile, and add this field on the page layout. Add this field on the page layout. One second. Now, data types. What are the data types? Auto number. Already we observed auto number. Whenever we are creating auto number is created and incremented by 1. If I open here, auto number is created and incremented by 1. For this we are providing display format and starting number. Text. For the name we created text, single line 255 characters. Number, it is allowing number value maximum 18 characters. Number, currency, percentage, percent. These 3 data types are allowing 18 digits maximum including decimal places. So we provided some value, then automatically it is providing the decimal values also. Currency, if I provided currency, then currency symbol and decimal places also it is displaying. Percent, it is adding the percentage symbol, whatever value entered for that value percentage symbol it is displaying. Phone, if I provided phone, converting into some phone format. Email, it is converting into email form, sorry, whether it is, are you following email format or not, it is checking, but it cannot check the whether the valid email or not. It cannot check in the database, only it is following, are you following or not, only checking. Date, it is providing date format. So based on the date settings, based on the local settings, if it is European, then month, date, year. If it is the Indian format, date, month, year, automatically it is converting. Date and time, including hours and minutes. Pick list, single line, multiple options are displaying, in that only one item we are selecting. Pick list multi select, we created loan types, for that pick list multi selected. Checkbox, if this customer is an active customer or not, so just we are providing the some checkbox symbol. If it is enabled, it is active, otherwise inactive, like this. For this programmatically, if you want to insert the data, true or false values, boolean values. Geolocation, geolocation is latitude, longitude, 2 fields it is creating. URL, it is providing URL format, in that only it is adding extra HTTP, that is a protocol type only it is storing. Suppose if I provided only like this, in this case it cannot show www, only it is providing that capitalinfosol.com. If I provided www dot, then only it is takes the www, otherwise only it is appending extra HTTP, that protocol type only it is allowed. Text area 2 lines and 255 characters maximum. Text area long, minimum number of lines 2, maximum number of lines 50. So the maximum size is 1,31,072 maximum number of characters. So maximum number of characters is starts from 256 to 1,31,072 characters. Text area rich, it is allowing rich format. Images also it is allowing, but minimum number of lines 10, maximum number of lines 50, that is extra lines here visible. Minimum number of lines here 50, but text area long only 2. This is a small difference, and it is a rich format. Text encrypted, whenever we are creating some encrypted format for credit card number, so the data is converting into some other formats, it is displaying other format instead of original data, other format. If you want to view encrypted data, if I enable in the profile, then we can see the data. Formulas, if you want to apply some logics on the particular fields, you can write the formula logic. If the customer is deposited amount 90 days, if it is a 90 days, some 4.5 percentage rate of interest. If it is a senior citizen, 5 percentage is the rate of interest. If it is 180 days, then 5 percentage is normal persons. If it is a senior citizens, 5.25 percentage. Like this, if you want to calculate the logics, then you can take the formula fields you are creating. Like this, these are the some data types we are using for creating field creation. Clear for all? Any questions? Madhuri, just wait 2 minutes, I will talk to you. Any questions for anyone?
Sir,